My video tutorial will give you help to get rid of the ransomware called Solix. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware and I'll give you some recommendations on how to protect your system from the ransomware attacks. Unfortunately, I'm not able to recover your files. Before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any complications. As you see, we can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and all other data. Now, sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Solix ransomware may be quite easily injected into the system. Because of that, very soon users realize that they just cannot access their data anymore. As you see, this is what happens with the files. You try to open the specific file and then you see a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Solix additionally appended extension. Now, removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted and damaged. Now, the ransomware reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid. Yet, we strongly urge you not to do that and not to pay the ransom. We recommend that you immediately attempt to remove this ransomware. To remove it, you need to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then after the program is successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete this ransomware. Now let's first of all try to get out of this annoying window. We may attempt to sign out and then we will try to sign in again. Maybe this will help us to get rid of that unwanted pop-up window displayed by the ransomware. So anyway, you need to go to the site combocleaner.com. Well, we have this message again. So you may try to open the task manager and you'll see this process Windows Forms app. You need to right click on it and its task. The site you need to go to is combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then once the program is successfully installed, start investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. But that feature is the part of the premium license only. So, Combo Cleaner also does not decrypt files. It only removes the ransomware and it only helps to protect the files. File decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus whatsoever. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, which will help you to always get your data protected.